Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox on HOTWAV T5 Pro. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store and now click on search bar and type in Firefox and click search and now click install. Now you can click open, and here you can make your Firefox browser your default browser, or you can click not now, and now you can sign in to quickly switch between devices, or you can click not now. And now your Firefox is all set up and ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.